Hello family, and how are you doing today? Today we're going to be making some cream cheese sausage balls. This will be a good recipe for the holidays, so stay tuned so you can learn how to make them. Okay family, get ready to learn how to make these cream cheese sausage balls. And what you will need is 1 pound of sausage. You can use mild or hot, whichever one you prefer. 8 ounces of cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese at room temperature. The cream cheese. Here is the sausage. You will also need 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and you will need 1 1/4 cup of Bisquick. And that's all it is. Those 4 ingredients is all you need to use to make these cream cheese sausage balls that you can use for Thanksgiving, for the holidays. I know what's going on with the virus, we're not supposed to have large gathering, but if you're just doing it for the people who are in your home, your family there, this is a great appetizer, something if you're watching the game or just sitting around watching movies that you can eat on some sausage balls. They're always a hit. So stay tuned, and we are going to make them now. Only 4 ingredients. You need to set your oven to 400 degrees. You will be cooking these cheese balls for around 20 to 25 minutes. But you combine all the 4 ingredients together. So we're going to change the hook on my mixer. Take this off and put the bread hook on. Come on now, there it is. Okay. Now I'm going to put in the 1 1/4 cup of Bisquick. 1/4 cup of cheese, and 1 pound of pork sausage. I'm using the mild because I don't want to have it too hot for my family yet. Some people just like using the hot, which is fine. I'll be making some more, and I will be using the hot in it. Then you put in your 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. 8 ounces. Okay. And the recipe will be down at the bottom. It'll be in the description. But this is not hard to remember at all. It's just 4 ingredients. I know a lot of people like sausage balls. So we're going to go ahead with this. Now I'm getting ready to mix it, to combine it. Just want to mix it up well, and then you will make them into 1-inch balls. Put them on your baking sheet, put them in the oven, and let them cook. It is all mixed up together, you see. So we're getting ready to make balls and put it on the cooking sheet. I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees and it's ready to go. And we'll put the balls here. I'll just do a few and I'll go away from it. I won't let you watch me do all of them. It takes too long. But here we go. So we ended up with 2 pans. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven. They will bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. And then I will be back and show you the end results of the cream cheese sausage balls. The cream cheese sausage balls are out of the oven and they look oh so delicious. Will you just look at them? And they are delicious. This is an easy way to make sausage balls for the holidays or for any kind of gathering, football time, whatever you may want to do. Try these cheap cream cheese sausage balls. I had to wait a second to say it. They look so good and they are delicious. You can use any sausage brand that you want. No certain sausage brand, anyone will do. So make these for your holiday treats and everyone have a blessed day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, hit the like hit the like button, and please leave a comment and let me know what you think, how you feel about this recipe, and if you want to try it. Everyone be safe and blessed. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.